Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing super duper fine, and today's video is all about the review of the Beauty Co. Glow Mask Peel Off Green Tea and Aloe Vera Glitter Glow Mask. Well, I am super happy and super excited to share this product with you guys. I wanted a glow peel off mask since a long time because glow peel off mask and glitter peel off mask is just in trend right now, and we all know that this particular product is a perfect dupe of Glam Glow Peel Off Mask, though it is on a very costlier side, and I feel it's really not worthy to waste your all money just for a glow peel off mask. I'm hoping and I'm just crossing my fingers. I want this product to be a top-notch product because this is an Indian brand, and I'm going to talk a little bit about this particular brand. Well, this particular brand really appreciates all the empowerment of women. So they really give so much of importance to the need of women, and their products are very carefully crafted and mindfully crafted for women. I am very satisfied. I'm very happy to share the review of this particular glow peel off mask. So let's quickly start this video. I'm going to talk about the key highlights and the key ingredients of this particular product. Well, this contains aloe vera, green tea, sparkles and glitters, aqua and glycerin. Like, all these 5 ingredients are so important and so good for our skin. Aloe vera always keeps our skin so smooth, hydrating and moisturized, makes our skin so supple. Plus, green tea always removes that dark pigmentation or the dark spots that we have, acne problem and the uneven skin tones, the discoloration of our skin. It just helps to treat our skin like this. Aqua keeps our skin supple and hydrated for long hours and also gives that dewy glow and also removes that impurities from our skin. The glitters and the sparkles present inside this product helps to remove that fine lines from our skin, helps to remove the impurities from our skin, plus keeps our skin hydrated, moisturized, and also it works as a firming agent. So I think Aqua does a great job in this particular product. Last but not the least, the most important ingredient or the most important component that we have inside this product is glycerin, and we all know that glycerin just works like a hydrating agent. It keeps our skin so much healthier, so much fresh looking for long period of time, keeps our skin so smooth and supple during winters, and for dry skin people glycerin is just a yay point. So yes, we have talked about the key highlights of this product. Now let's quickly jump into the packaging part of it. This is a square cardboard box, and the color of the cardboard box is minty green and sea green. So I really like this type of color. It attracted me so much. Plus it looks so beautiful, and the details are given just on the packaging, and the writings are on silver color. So I think it is a really eye-catching packaging. The quantity of this particular product is 100 gram, and all the details of this product is given just at the back side of the packaging. A lot of other components are already used in this product, but the 2 main ingredients that are present inside this particular product is green tea essential oil and aloe vera extract, which is super good for skin. Whenever we talk about green tea and aloe vera, you know, both of this combination is just a perfect goodness for your skin. So I find it really helpful for my skin, and I think it's just going to change my skin. Well, the MRP of this particular glow peel off mask is rupees 899, but of course you can get a lot of discounts and deals on their personal website, that is www.thebeautyco.in. This product is manufactured in India, so the Beauty Co. is an Indian brand, and they are absolutely cruelty free. They are not tested on animals. That is the best part. Plus they are absolutely paraben free and sulfate free. It will be better for your skin if you use this particular product before 24 months. So now it's time to open and see the inner packaging, and when I'm just opening the cardboard box, you can see there is a tub like container. I am in love with the tub like container. Inside the box we can see there is a user manual, like the direction how to use this particular glow mask, and then we can find a small cute spatula with which you can just apply this product on your skin. So guys, let's quickly open this lid because I am super excited and super eager to see what is there inside this tub. I'm sure that there will be lot of glitters inside. Oh wow, because there is an extra security. They have given another lid here which is absolutely tight and fixed, and if you really travel with this product, no chance of spilling out the product, guys. So let's quickly open this and see. Wow, color is just so pretty and so beautiful. There are a lot of stars and glitters and sparkles inside, some small little sequences inside. So it looks so awesome, guys. Plus the consistency, you can see, guys, the consistency is so gummy and so gooey. I really can't wait to wear this mask on my face. It looks so beautiful, guys. As soon as I open the lid, I'm getting that strong smell of aloe vera and green tea extracts. I'm sure that it's going to be really enriching for my skin and will make my skin healthy and fresh looking. Well, packaging information is given. Now it's time for demo. Are you ready for it? Let's start. I'm so happy right now, guys. Just say it. I feel to eat it up. Like, it's so gooey and so like gummy texture and all dried up, guys. You can see it's all dried up. So my peel off mask has already dried up. I have kept it for 15 to 20 minutes and now the main part, I have to peel it off. So let's start from the edges. So guys, this is the peel off mask. It exactly looks like a rubber kind of thing, you can see. And yes, my skin looks much more fresh and much more healthier. Like, I don't know whether you can feel it or not, but when I'm looking to my camera screen, I can just feel that my skin is just giving me that inner glow. I would definitely recommend this particular glow peel off mask to each and everyone. I know it is priced at ₹900. It is also not that much affordable, but it is also not that much necessary that you need to buy this peel off mask. You can just give it a try if you want. If anybody wants to try a good peel off mask, you can definitely give it a shot. My final verdict and my final rating for this particular peel off mask is 100 upon 100 because it just gave me that desired result that I wanted and I hoped for. I am 2000% in love with this particular peel off mask. Just made my day today. I was super excited to share with you guys, and the net result is just awesome. This glow peel off mask comes in 3 other variants like activated charcoal, mixed berries and lavender, but I have picked up green tea and aloe vera glow peel off mask because I really have a dry skin and dull skin, so I just need that glow and that hydration to my skin. Well, I have purchased this Beauty Co. Peel Off Mask from Flipkart, and if you want to buy from any other online sites, I'm going to give all the link in the description box below. Do check it out. So guys, if you find this video to be helpful and informative, do like my videos, share my videos. Comment down below whether you really liked it or not. Share your experiences in the comment section and show me some love, show my channel some love. Do subscribe my channel, follow all of my social medias, and do not forget to hit that bell icon to stay notified with all of my upcoming videos. So thank you guys for watching me. Love you, take care, have fun, and just stay tuned with my next video. Bye.